Namaste. So up till now we have discussed about arrest. Now we need to know about rights, what happens after arrest. So the key point is this is after the person has been successfully arrested by the police. Now what are his or her rights? So now we need to combine the constitution with the legislative power, basically the statute that has been made in accordance with the constitution, क्योंकि constitution में जो चीज है उसको आपने effect दिया by a statute, and those statutes are where statutes as in sections are where the CRPC. All right. So right of arrested persons. This you'll have to, if you can make this flow chart, by the way, in a mains का answer from memory and quote the section in the article एक ही है, it will fetch you a lot of marks. All right. So you can either, अब आंसर शीट तो ऐसे तो नहीं होगी, तो इसमें लिखना पड़ेगा राइट ऑफ अरेस्टेड पर्सन, एंड नीचे इसको आप ऐसे मतलब लैंडस्केप ओरिएंटेशन में एक्सपैंड करेंगे. So after watching this video, what two things that you need to do? You need to read up on all of these sections except for 167. Hold on to that right now because that is a massive, mammoth, very important section. We'll discuss it in detail when we reach to it in the course. And उसको मतलब मुझे 3 बार एक्चुअली डिस्कस करना है 167 को, बट 167 अभी बात की बात है. तो 167 पे एक कर्सरी लुक तो आप दे देंगे, बट डरेंगे घबराएंगे नहीं, क्योंकि वहां से प्रीलिम्स में भी एमसीक्यू की गंगा बहती है. इट्स लिटरली द गोमुख of the CRPC when it comes to arrest. All right. तो ये चीज आप try to do it. So read the sections from the Bare Act and try to recreate this chart in your notebook from memory. Shut the laptop down, shut the phone down, wherever you're watching this from, and try to recreate this from memory. And I will also be recreating this flow chart many a time ताकि आपके दिमाग में भी drill हो जाए. Alright, so first and foremost, right to know Goa. Goa from today onwards is grounds of arrest for the CRPC. So that's a short term. ऐसे याद रखना, Goa grounds of arrest. So right to know, हम लोग RTI की बात करते हैं, CRPC में it's RTK. Okay, RTK Goa. RTK sounds like a flight भी हो सकती है ना, RTK 83 Goa. Right, so that is right to know grounds of arrest. Where are they given? Article 22, clause 1. Don't you dare use sections for the constitution. Either I will come out of this screen and give you a chota sa whack, because you are an adult, we can't really hit you like a child, and even children shouldn't be hit, or the examiner is going to give you a whack. Never make this crucial mistake of quoting sections. In fact, there was an interview of YouTube also, some guy who's like cracked the judiciary, and for the constitution he was using sections. I really don't know how that happened. I think it was not the judiciary but the UPSC law option. So don't make that mistake. It looks very, very silly, and the examiner then gets to know that you are not very careful about your legal knowledge. Okay. Article 22, clause 1, right? Section 50, 55 and 75 is right to know grounds of arrest. Let's take a cursory look at 50 right now. Just थोड़ी सी broad overview, remember, layer 1, right? 50 is person arrested shall be informed about grounds of arrest and right to bail. अगर आप, now note when you read it from the Bare Act, there is going to be these words which are the most crucial from the section, that is without warrant. हम without warrant cases के बारे में बात करें. क्यों? क्योंकि वारंट के अंदर तो पूरी चिट्ठी बन के आएगी ना कोर्ट से, फिर पुलिस ऑफिसर वो वारंट के बारे में बताएगा कि जी ये जी आपके नाम का फरमान आया, now I have to arrest you. Now substance of the warrant, and if so shall required by the person being arrested, he shall produce that warrant. But when it's without warrant, then the police officer will tell you, it's his duty to tell you the full particulars of the offense that you have committed for which you are being arrested, or Goa grounds of arrest. Okay. Now again, subsection 2, it's if it is a bailable offense. So now you're going to read this in the Bare Act. In fact, I'll just read out the sentence and then basically give you an idea of how to read law, because 50 subsection 2 isn't exactly very easily worded. All right. So here is my criminal manual, that is what I'm referring to, which you can't really do without when you are preparing for judiciary. Okay. Section 50 subsection 2, where a police officer arrests without warrant any person other than a person accused of a non-bailable offense. Do you get what it's being said? Give me 1 second. Other than a person accused of a non-bailable offense. That means it's a bailable offense. Right? Bailable offense वाले को ही तो हम बताएंगे ना कि you have a right to bail. Remember, in the non-bailable offenses, only the court can give you bail. You don't have it as a matter of right. Remember, ऊपर वाले वीडियोस के अंदर किया हुआ हमने डिस्कस. तो बेलेबल के अंदर ही तो बताएंगे ना कि आपके पास राइट टू बेल है भाई साहब, आप अपनी श्योरिटी की तैयारी कर लीजिए एंड देन यू कैन प्रीटी मच लीव एंड वी विल सी यू इन कोर्ट, राइट. 50 सेक्शन 50A ए आई है अमेंडमेंट से, बेयर एक्ट उठाएंगे और देखेंगे कौन सी अमेंडमेंट से आई, फुट नोट से, गेट इनटू अ हैबिट, राइट. नोबडी इज गोइंग टू स्पून फीड यू एनीथिंग. ओके, व्हाई विल वी नॉट स्पून फीड यू? याद नहीं रहेगा एग्जाम में. कुछ काम आप करेंगे, कुछ काम हम करेंगे, दोनों मिलकर चलेंगे, तभी तो वेवर क्लियर होगा, राइट. 50. So this was the 2005 amendment and 2009 amendment. Make a note in your notebook. 40A, 40B, 41 sorry, 41A, 41B, 41C कहाँ पे? कौन सी amendment थी? कुछ याद आ रहा है? This is how you make notes. You'll have to note down amendments of 2005 and 2009. दो ही हैं major. तो वो वाला काम आपने करना है यहाँ पे. Okay. Now what is the obligation of the person making an arrest? You remember the memorandum of arrest that we did under 41? You have to produce a memorandum of arrest. वो locality में respected person के signature चाहिए थे. Remember that? याद आ रहा है? Now herein, when you are brought to the police station, then you will be informed कि जी आपके पास ये right है that you have to nominate one person, basically the guy who's getting arrested, to inform this nominated person that where are you. अब ऐसे पुलिस उठा के लेगी, किसी को कुछ पता ही नहीं. अब पुलिस will not obviously publish an ad in the newspaper, no, that we have arrested this person. So you have a right, you will be informed that you have a right to make the police know your nominated person. You get it? मान लेते हैं, let us say that they have arrested me. So now they're going to tell me that, buddy, who do we inform? Ask me rather, who do we inform? Nominate a person. मान लेते हैं, let us say that I stay in Ashok Vihar or in the area of Delhi and they pick me up from Noida, which is very far from here. And then obviously वहाँ पे तो memorandum of arrest कौन से respected, ना family member आएगा, ना आपका respected person of the locality, right? You can't really, मतलब mall के बाहर, let us say that somebody is committed an offense, they pick him up and then that guy stays in Ashok Vihar. So therefore, you will nominate the person who needs to be informed. All right? So 50A. अब मान लेते हैं अब ये सब किस खुशी में चल रहा है? Preamble, right? Article 21. सब कुछ तो दे रखा है, right to life. Preamble में क्या दिया था? Liberty. Use that word very, very often in your answers. The examiner will get very, very impressed. Okay. Then we are going to be coming to subsection 4 of 50A, which says कि जी magistrate साहब ये check करेंगे whether subsection 2 and subsection 3 सब कुछ, मतलब ये nominated person हुआ, आपको आपका inform किया गया था, inform of you, were you informed of your rights on after getting arrested. Magistrate साहब ये सब check करेंगे and basically अपनी satisfaction करेंगे कि हाँ जी हमने ये काम आपको बताया है कि हम आपको किस खुशी में, why have we picked you up, alright? So that is 50. Now right to be informed of bail, that is section 50, subsection 2, which we have already discussed under the bailable offences from the Bail Act. Right to be produced before magistrate without a delay, alright? कि आप भाई आपको arrest करके ले गए, now what do? Well, we produce you before the magistrate, under whose local jurisdiction that you need to be produced before, right? Or under whose local jurisdiction the arrest was made or the offense was done, correct? Article 22, subsection 2, याद आ रहा है? 24 घंटे से पहले LLB के एंट्रेंस में रट के गए होंगे ना, 24 घंटे के अंदर आपको मैजिस्ट्रेट आपको प्रोड्यूस होंगे. और कौन सा मैजिस्ट्रेट? जुडिशियल और एग्जीक्यूटिव. सेक्शन 3 CRPC, एक बारी बेयर एक्ट से फिर नजर मारेंगे, आप बार-बार नजर मारेंगे, बार-बार ये चीज पक्की होगी, and that is how we want to really ace this exam, right? 22, clause 2, then the sections are 57, 76 and 167. 167 is again the mammoth, right? अच्छा जी, 57 में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? 57 यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है again, produce before 24 hours. अच्छा, 76 में क्या है? 76 में क्या हो रहा है जी? Right to produce before magistrate के अंदर, that अगर आपने warrant, now remember we discussed about without warrant, but यहाँ पे अगर आपको warrant लेकर पुलिस वाला आपको arrest करके गया, तो जिस कोर्ट से वो warrant लेकर आया था to arrest you, going to produce you before that court without any delay, Alright, read the exact word from the Bare Act, whether it's without an unnecessary delay or without any delay. The words are crucial because as a judge, you are going to be tested on the knowledge of these words, and if you can explain these words in your mains ka answer, you will be a judge. There is no two ways about it. Alright, now we are not going to get into the specific language of the section right now because these are just introductory concepts. जब हम आगे, we have to discuss pretty much the entire Bare Act. I have grand plans for the course, alright, so don't you worry. अच्छा, 167 के अंदर भी 167 के अंदर क्या दे रखा है कि नाउ व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर. अब मान लेते हैं 24 घंटे में इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं कर पाया पुलिस ऑफिसर, so what is the procedure now? What do we do about you? So the magistrate as a whole will grant मतलब up till 15 days of custody, right, कि जी ले जाओ जी, रखो अपने पास, इन्वेस्टिगेशन पूरी करो. And 303 is what? अच्छा, 303 अगले वाले पॉइंट के अंदर आते हैं. बट 167 में से अभी 167 अगर आप खोलेंगे Bare Act, it's huge. Two main points relevant to our discussion right now. अच्छा, एक 55 यहाँ पे 55 ऊपर वाले पॉइंट के अंदर से कि if a police officer tells a subordinate here go and arrest, so he will give it in writing. He'll basically give an order to the subordinate police officer, that chotu police officer, junior in rank, he go arrest. He'll give it in writing, and the guy who's come to arrest you will, if so required, shall show the order to the accused, to the guy who needs to be arrested, all right, to the person who needs to be arrested. Guy वाय हटा देते हैं, कहीं आंसर में आप गाय वाय ना लिखना शुरू हो जाए, राइट. अच्छा जी, 75 में अगर obviously अगर वारंट लेकर आया है, if the police officer is carrying the warrant, he shall notify the substance of the warrant as we discussed earlier, or produce the warrant. कि आप, you can ask कि warrant दिखाइए, मैं भी देखूं what is the particular of the offense, why am I being arrested, which court has basically ordered and everything. So you have a full right to do this, all right. So this is how pretty much. तो पहले के अंदर Article 22, Clause 1, Section 50, 55 and 75. Point number 1. Point number 2, right to be informed of bail. Section 50, subsection 2. Right to be produced before magistrate without delay. 22, Clause 2, 57, 76, 167. Okay. Right to consult a legal practitioner, which I believe is pretty easy. Article 22 again, Clause 1, और आज का homework Article 22 एक बारी जाके नजर मारेंगे. नजर जितनी बार मारेंगे उतनी बार चीज पक्की होगी. 41D we had already discussed in the previous lecture, and 303 is defended by a pleader of your choice. So whenever we're talking about right to consult a legal practitioner, if we start quoting these three pointers, examiner will know क्या candidate आया है, मजा आ गया, right? Section 2 और article आपका. अच्छा जी, right to be examined by a medical practitioner, that is section 53 and 54. Not going to get into the details now. So this is 53 and 54. Basically, if the police officer thinks that that they can extract out more evidence right after arresting you by a medical you can say examination, so therefore they're going to ask you that. And then you also have a right to tell them that you need to get examined by a medical professional, medical practitioner it is called. And under 53 and 54, there's one more thing. If you are a female, then obviously the medical practitioner also needs to be a female. Now this is basically a topic known as MLCs, that is medical legal cases, and we'll have to discuss that in detail as well. अगर आपका भी कभी कुछ हुआ हो, let us say that that you have been involved in an accident or whatever, and then the cops show up, they will always go in for a MLC. So MLC actually वो report को refer करते हैं, but actually the full form is medical legal cases, क्योंकि अब आपकी basically, let us say that somebody beat you up and then your finger and everything is fractured. So before the police can actually note everything down, they need, अब हिंदुस्तान में क्या है कि कानून का एक स्ट्रक्चर समझ जाएगा, everything will require a document. So this document needs to be made by a medical officer. कि वो जो सरकारी वो जो बैठ रखे होते हैं हर हॉस्पिटल में, वो लिख कर देंगे पुलिस को कि जी इनकी उंगली टूट गई है, सामने वाले ने तोड़ दी गई है, या सामने वाले ने basically he is saying that the सामने वाला has beaten him up and therefore now the finger. So that report will then go in for your case, basically your case file with the police. But if the police also wants that you have to get examined by a medical practitioner, then under 53 and 54 it works vice versa, right? But don't worry about 53, 54, baat ki baat hai. But just as an introductory concept, read it from the Bare Act. That is all that I want from you. The pointers that are being given, read from the Bare Act. It will make your life a lot simpler, in the coming portions of the course, because if you don't do this work, जितने मर्जी पैसे जितने मर्जी कोर्सों में डाल दीजिए कुछ नहीं होने वाला. So start with the bare. ठीक है जी, alright, take care now, see you in the next one.